Welcome back. Goa Tourism Development Corporation has formulated new monsoon tourism packages. The corporation aims at developing hinterland tourism in Goa through these packages. Along with international and domestic tourists, GTDC also intends to attract the Goans towards hinterlands. GTDC has sent a proposal to the government in connection to hinterland tourism development.
The Deputy General Manager of Goa Tourism Development Corporation informed about the salient features of the monsoon tourism packages. GTDC will provide transport facility to the tourists booking these packages to make it cost effective and hassle free for the tourists.
The packages are designed in such a way that all these ingredients we have put in this one package. Like for example, see when a customer comes directly and lands at a bus station or airport station or railway station, we can pick them immediately if this package is booked. So why we have done this exercise? Because people think that monsoon there is nothing in Goa. So we are trying to make a lot of events so that
change the image from the beach.
No, it's not only image. So to have a diversify,
The corporation has begun procedural formalities to get government funds for developing hinterland tourism in the state. CM Manohar Parrikar had promised state assistance in the budget for developing hinterland tourism.
See, we are positive on this step. So definitely we are going to forward this proposal to the government.
GTDC has also introduced a special honeymoon package for couples. Corporation says new packages are receiving tremendous response on the web.
Actually, this is the honeymoon package we have drawn. There are some couples which really like to have some unique place where it's cool, silent. So we thought it's quite interior and it is a good lake. We have developed this lake. We have put up a lot of boating inside.
The website of GTDC has got overwhelming online hits. A reporter from Panaji, Pratik Parab, with video journalist Tulsidas Chari.
Despite giving top-class facilities to the cricketers over the last few years, the Goan Ranji players have not been able to realize their full potential. The Goa Cricket Association feels it is because there was no concept of giving the players full-time attention. Now the GCA is all set to take the boys under its wings right from the age of under 14 years and provide them with schooling and other facilities without charging a fee. The residential academy for a batch of 20 trainees was opened on Monday at GCA's Academy Complex in Porvorim.
The boys will now be able to eat, drink, sleep and breathe cricket from now on in the impressionable age of under 14 years. This is a praiseworthy initiative by the GCA to create a residential facility for the boys which is aimed at producing players who will mature into national level talents. The GCA will provide lodging, schooling, proper diet, extensive cricket coaching and fitness program to the trainees. President Vinod Phadke announced the program on Monday.
Residential academy has been started from today, in which initially there are 20 players which are chosen from lot, and they are the best among them. Today the academy was inaugurated at the hands of Dr. Shekhar Sarkar. GCA will provide them boarding, lodging and schooling in the best school, proper nutrition diet and special attention is given for their nutrition, and it will be with the best hygiene. GCA will also bear entire expenses of their schools, of their clothing, of their books and whatever other expense we have to make that will be borne by the GCA. They will also undergo the extensive cricket training. They will be provided with one physio, one trainer and best cricket coach.
Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with Prajot Pednikar from Porvorim.
Don't worry, if you have missed this bulletin, log on to www.prudentmedia.in, or you can also catch latest updates on Twitter by following us at Prudent Goa. Meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.